Hello everyone, welcome back to Learn Smart Coding. Today we are diving into a hot topic, AI agents. These are the brains behind the virtual assistants, smart customer services and much more. But here is the real question. Can AI agents actually take over human job? So stick around to find out. It might just surprise you. What are AI agents? AI agents are like super smart digital helpers. Imagine having a virtual assistant that can think, plan, and act on its own. Here's how they work. They sense their environment, like your voice when you say, "Hey Alexa." They process what they sense, figuring out you want to set a timer. Then they act, setting the timer for you. Pretty cool, right? There are different types of AI agents. Reflex agents that they react quickly, like self-driving cars, avoiding the obstacles, and goal-driven agents. These are great planners, like systems that optimize the delivery routes for UPS or FedEx or any delivery system. Learning agents. These improves over time. Think about how Netflix learns what show you like. Let's take a look at the real-world example. You might already use AI agents daily without realizing it. Virtual assistants like Alexa, Siri, or Google Assistants. Chatbots that answers the questions on websites. Chatbots, the helping the assembly cars in the factories. They are even used in hospitals to schedule the appointments or to help doctors analyze the data. AI agents aren't just futuristic. They are here now and making our life easier. Can AI agent take over jobs? Now, here's a big question. Are AI agents going to replace us? The answer is both yes and no. So let's take a look one by one. Jobs that are at risk. So repetitive tasks like data entries are the first to go. AI agents can handle these 24/7 without any mistakes. Predictable tasks like scheduling or inventory management, all those kind of jobs, AI can handle it easily. Jobs that can't be replaced. Roles that need human creativity like designing a new products or writing novels. And jobs requiring the emotional intelligence like counseling or teaching. Now, because of these, there are new jobs created. AI developers, trainers, and ethic experts are in demand. People are needed to monitor and guide these agents as well. So, while some jobs may go away, others will emerge. The key is staying adaptable and learning new skills. Ethical consideration. Let's not forget the ethical side. If AI agent replaces the jobs, how do we ensure everyone has opportunities? Governments and the companies must set up to reskill the workers and create fair policies. It's not just about the tech, it's about the people. So, can AI agents take over human job? Yes, for some tasks, but they are also tools to help us work smarter, not harder. Whether they replace or empower us depending on how we use them. What do you think? Will AI agent replace your job or will they make it better? Let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Learn Smart Coding. Let's keep exploring the future together. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tutorials. And don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified when we post new videos. If you have any questions or suggestions, leave them in the comments below. Happy coding!